Friedrich Nietzsche, the German philosopher known for his challenging and often controversial ideas, introduced a profound thought experiment known as the concept of eternal recurrence. At its core, this idea grapples with the notion of time and existence in a cyclical, rather than linear, fashion. Instead of viewing life as a straight path from birth to death, Nietzsche posits the question, what if life, with all its joys, sufferings, and choices, were to repeat itself endlessly? The concept emerges as more than just a cosmological speculation. It serves as a deeply personal and ethical challenge. Nietzsche asks us to imagine that a demon comes to us in a secluded moment and reveals that we are destined to relive our lives in exact detail, infinite times. Every joy, sorrow, love, and regret would be experienced again and again for eternity. The question then becomes, would this knowledge be the heaviest burden, causing us to curse our existence, or would it be a moment of affirmation, accepting our life in its entirety? For Nietzsche, the idea of eternal recurrence was not just an intellectual puzzle, but a litmus test for life affirmation. If one could embrace the prospect of living one's life over and over again, it would indicate a profound acceptance and affirmation of one's choices, actions, and experiences. Conversely, the horror or despair at such a prospect would reveal a lack of life affirmation, suggesting areas of regret or unfulfilled potential. But the challenge doesn't stop there. Nietzsche's eternal recurrence also serves as a call to action. It encourages individuals to live their lives in such a way that they would be willing, even eager, to relive every moment. It's a prompt to be fully present, to take responsibility for one's choices, and to strive for authenticity and greatness in every action. In a sense, it's a philosophical tool, urging us to craft a life that would be ready to experience again and again. While the scientific or literal truth of eternal recurrence remains speculative, its philosophical and existential weight is undeniable. It challenges our perceptions of time, existence, and our own lives, pushing us to reflect on our choices and the meaning we ascribe to our experiences. Whether one views it as a haunting curse or a call to embrace life in its totality, Nietzsche's concept of eternal recurrence remains a powerful and evocative facet of philosophical exploration.